This Scorpio full moon that happened this past week has been deeply transformative on so many levels. And what we're seeing is the crumbling of old structures, the releasing of old paradigms, and stepping into a whole entire new way of being. And as we have one foot in one door and one foot in the other, we are experiencing a little bit of both realities. And so you might start to feel this really open and expansive nature and start to feel fully abundant and connected into Source, to Creator, to God, Goddess. And then in the next moment, you may start to see old patterns playing out in your life. And they're happening at such an accelerated rate because they are actually releasing. It's like I'm seeing this wheel, this spoke, and it's like things are just spewing off of this wheel. And as I hear a man in the town yelling, it's confirmation. It really is a time of great transformation. Scorpio is that upheaval. It's the rising of everything that is not in alignment to be shed. It's the snake shedding its skin. It is that deeply transitional space where we can create an entirely new reality and emerge into that next consciousness, next version, highest potential that we are aware of, that we know we are here for. We know we are here to embody that. And the first step to truly being in that reality is to have greater awareness, greater presence. And that means that we can't be living in the past and we can't be projecting into the future with fear or with doubt or with anxiety or stress. It's really about bringing ourselves into this moment now, being aware of what's in front of us, one step at a time. And when we gain that level of clarity in our presence, we can plan for the future to the point that our intuitive guidance is showing us. So things may start to land in, messages are received, and it's like, okay, let me start making a very loose plan, because now is not a time of constrictive planning, right? It's not a time of putting ourselves in a box and sticking to something. It's really about being in the flow within the structure. It's really about allowing the masculine and feminine within us to work together in unity and harmony. And so if you've been used to going and pushing and forcing and pressure and controlling, it's time to let the reins go. It's time to loosen your grip. It's time to come back to center, come back to your breath, find the stillness, the peace within. And sometimes that is the most uncomfortable step to take, especially if you're used to thinking a lot, planning a lot, moving a lot. So the invitation is really to continue that dedication to yourself, to keep coming back into the moment a few times a day. It all helps. The repetition helps, and it gets easier over time. And then as you do that, you start to open up to new realms of possibility. And you start to co-create truly in your divine nature and opening up to your full potential, your unique gifts that are here to be shared on the planet. Sending my love and blessings, and may your journey be graceful and easeful as you navigate these waters.